Hey guys, Meteorologist Chris Tomer here with this afternoon mountain weather update, and as expected, severe weather in Colorado along the Front Range today. This is what I was forecasting yesterday. It's here. You can see we've got a number of severe thunderstorm warnings and tornado warnings here. This is a live radar. There's Denver in the middle of your screen. I'll take you in a little bit closer. So you've got a tornado warned storm right there, all heading up towards DIA, which is right there, and those storms are really only about 15-20 miles away from Denver International at this point, which is right here. So everything moving up in this direction out of Centennial, Aurora, and Parker. So that's what's going to be the case today. And then as the storm cools off tonight into Thursday, it's going to be mainly heavy rain for Denver in the Front Range, and that'll be snow, but it's going to be above 10,000 feet. Let me show you what it looks like up there right now. So this is up at Loveland Ski Area, Continental Divide, over 12,000, not much happening. That starts to really build in overnight tonight and during the day Thursday as we get the upslope flow to drive that precip up towards the Continental Divide. Let me just show you my bullet points. So the Colorado Soaker is here with snow, 510 to 512. Again, most of that with the snow will be happening overnight into Thursday, 511, trickling into Friday morning, 512. So, looking at the trends on this over the last couple of days, snow levels keep getting pushed higher and higher, which means the storm is a little bit warmer. That'll cut down on the perceived snow, and overall snow numbers have all trended down over the last couple of days. Still expecting potentially up to a foot up there on the top of the Continental Divide. And then there's something interesting. 514, 515, we're going to get what almost looks like a little monsoon type of surge Sunday into Monday. I'll cover that more starting tomorrow, but I just wanted to mention that now. Let me take you back and let me just show you. I did write about it this morning, my blog, christomer.com. Colorado severe weather, soaker, and snow. A nice update there if you want to take a look at it. We had a ton of hail across Denver North, Erie, Firestone, and up I-76 last night. You can see that's golf ball sized hail last night. I took a look at the forecast freezing levels. They're just very high for the central mountains of Colorado. Especially today, we had 13.5 on the max, 32-degree line. And then it will fall, but 10,000 feet is my my low-level line, my floor on this. So you got to be above 10,000 to really get the best snow out of this. So it's going to be pretty high. And it sits there for a few mornings. But during the day, it rises to like 11 and 12,000. So this is a pretty warm May storm. There's the forecast pattern. I'll take this full so you can see it. So this is tomorrow, 5/11 at 11 p.m. Cutoff low over eastern Colorado with jet support. But that was the whole point. Today, it had that jet support, the wind shear, producing that severe weather over the Front Range and eastern plains of Colorado. Then the storm would move away midday on Friday, and we'd be done with it. But like I said, on the back side of this for Sunday, Monday, we have an interesting surge of moisture coming out of the south. All right, let me take you back here and show you a little bit about the severe weather that's happening today. This was the outlook, the enhanced risk in orange. Last time this happened over Denver was back in 2018, so this is actually a pretty big deal. And there's the climatological map for where most all of the severe weather occurs: Denver, Front Range, and Eastern Plains. When you look back at all the weather records, excessive rain will be a problem here on Thursday. You can see the yellow shaded area for Denver and the Front Range. We could see 1 to 2 inches of rainfall, and of course that's going to be snow above 10,000 feet. Let me show you the timing here. Forecast radar and satellite. So by Thursday, look at that. You've still got rain over the Front Range. There's Thursday at noon. Still raining over Denver and the Front Range. Snow above 10,000. There we are by Friday morning at 6. Potentially still raining up and down I-25 with snow back above 10,000 up on the Continental Divide. Then the storm exits in the afternoon. Now watch what happens as we move through the weekend. Look at this surge of moisture coming in from the south. Almost monsoonal-like. There's Monday at 6 o'clock in the morning, and that surge still coming in from the south all the way through the day. And in fact, some of that rain works its way into Utah. So we'll tackle that more coming tomorrow. All right, back to this. Those are my forecast totals. Let me take those for snow. Let me take those full so you can see those through 513. Potentially a foot up on the Continental Divide, maybe a little bit more above 12.5. 8 to 12 up through Eldora and to Longs Peak to Cameron Pass. Less snow west of the Continental Divide. So this storm seems to have it all. It's definitely a soaker. It's got severe weather and potentially some snow. Guys, thanks for tuning in here. Always appreciate it, and take care.